going to show you how to make no glue slime. This recipe calls for any type of conditioner, cornstarch, food coloring is optional, a spoon, something to mix with, and a bowl. What you need to do first is take your conditioner and add as much as you'd like. I'm going to add about that much. Then you're going to add about the same amount or a little more of cornstarch than you have of your shampoo. But since I'm doing food coloring, I'm going to add the food coloring before I do that. You could add any type of shampoo and any type of cornstarch and any color of food coloring. Next, I'm going to pour in the cornstarch. It's best to use a spoon for this and not just dump it in. So I'm going to do about a spoonful. If your slime turns out too much shampoo, add more cornstarch, and if you end up with too much cornstarch, add more shampoo. Or conditioner, sorry, not shampoo. So mine's really conditioner-y, so I'm going to add more cornstarch. This is a no glue slime recipe. You can make it to whatever consistency you want. If you want it really stretchy, you should add a lot of shampoo, but if you want it kind of thick and playable like Play-Doh, use a little more cornstarch. I'm going to start kneading it with my hands. This is one of my favorite slime recipes because it's only 2 ingredients and it works out very nicely. So you're going to try to get as much excess off of the bowl as you possibly can so that you have a bigger amount and that when you try to, this easily washes off because it's just cornstarch and conditioner. So I've peeled it off out of all of the bowl, and this is what it looks like in the end. It's not stretchy, but it's very playable and soft. Thank you for watching on Woolly Wool Kids. Please click the like button and subscribe. Bye!